A few days ago, one of our subcontractors, one of our MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing subcontractors, wanted to start working overtime on the weekends. And they said that, they had all these people that were on the job, but they just weren't getting the job done. So they came and met with the superintendent, and he actually showed them the log so that they can see. And I guess they realized after talking to us, they really didn't have that many people on our job, given the size of it. So now they're going to work overtime, but it's on their dime, not ours.
That's a good point. We've heard other stories from customers where they also use the system to reconcile any claims by subcontractors about how many people were there. I think we had one customer that said that they had saved in 1 month about $50,000 just because there was a discrepancy between the subcontractor who they thought they actually had there and who was actually showing up. So, these are just hard dollars being recaptured by a solution that's very cost effective using Safe Site Check-In.
Yeah, another thing that we use it for is I try and look at the bigger job sites every other day, and I know who the subs are on the job. And then if I constantly see a couple people that are checking in, and it turns out that they're working directly for the owner, not for us. But for the reason we want to know is anybody that's working on that site when we want their insurance. So then I give it to the person in our office that handles the certificates of insurance for the subs, and she goes back and gets those. But normally we wouldn't know because people are coming and going all the time on the sites. And it's really hard, as you guys know, to track on the bigger jobs. But this has been very helpful for that.